Hello everyone, today I'm going to be playing around with new makeup that I've purchased recently. Some of the products I already did a review, and some of the products weren't really worthy enough to do a review on it. So I just decided to make one video using all the new products that I got. Alright, so let's get started. Because it's spring, my allergies been acting up, so that's why like here it looks so dark and red, and I just look so sick and tired. So let's cover it up. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the Dior Forever Skin Glow Cushion. I did do a review on this product, so if you're interested, I'll leave a link below, above, somewhere. I'll leave a link somewhere. I've been using this cushion for a while now and I really like it. It gives a really nice, natural finish. Wow, my dark circle is like so bad. I don't think this cushion is strong enough, pigmented enough to cover everything. You know, it's peeking through a little bit, but not bad. I noticed that a mistake that I do when applying makeup is that I forget to apply like foundation around here, and I would only apply it like right here and not the side of my face. So when I look, like, you could see the foundation line. So I always have to remember to put it on the sides of my face. Okay, I mean, good enough. Good enough. Next, I'm gonna powder my face with the Laneige Neo powder. Just going to take a really fluffy brush, gently tap it in. Ooh, so fine. The powder is like actually like so fine. Lightly press it into my skin. I just dusted a light layer of the powder because I wanted the cushion foundation to glow. The cushion gives a nice natural glow and I didn't want to cover that, so a light layer of powder. I'm now going to do my brows. I really need to get new brow products because I'm still using the Benefit Brow that I got like years ago. I still like it, but you know, sometimes you kind of get bored of a makeup product, right? So I kind of want to try a new brow product. So let me know if you know any good brow products that I should try. So far, like, this is not bad. I still like it. It's just I want to try something new. I think brows is like one of the hardest things to do for me because like my brow is like already pretty dark, so I just kind of, you know, make the ends a little darker. But you know, if I use brown, it's very noticeable, but if I use black, it's just too dark. So like I don't know what to do, and like a tinted brow gel is not enough. So I'm really in a pickle. Like I don't know what to do with my brows, and I think that's why I'm still using the same product, because that's all I know right now. So I need some professional help with my brows. I try to not make it so dark, but it just gets so dark. I'm gonna apply a nice clear brow gel. I kind of fluff out the inner part of my brows. I don't know if you can see that. I just like fluff it out, and then I set the rest of my brows down. Moving on to my eyes. For my eyes, I'm gonna be using the Daisy Shadow Palette number 11 Chocolate Fudge. I also did a review on this product and I love it. This is an amazing neutral brown warm eyeshadow palette. I kind of want to do like a dark look today. I'm always doing like natural look, so I'm gonna try to make my look dark today. Let's go for a dark look. I'm gonna apply this color Biscuit all over my eyes. I also blended like all the way here to kind of contour my nose. Trying something new today. We're trying something new. Okay, now I'm gonna blend it underneath my eyes. Now I'm gonna go with the middle color, Blonde Chocolate, with the same brush. I'm gonna apply this color on the outer corner. The one thing that really shocked me about this palette was how pigmented it was and how it blends so nicely, so I really like it. I'm gonna go with this color, Crunchy, with a smaller brush, and I'm gonna darken the outer corner a little bit more. Now for the inner half of my eyes, I'm gonna go with this color, which is Salted Caramel. I'm gonna use my finger to grab some product, and then I'm gonna apply this to the inner half. Alright, so I already lined my eyes with a dark eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna use this liner by Clio. This is the Clio Super Proof Brush Liner Kill Black in number 01 Black. Let's open it up. In the box, it comes with the lip and eye remover and then the liner. I don't know why they put it in like such a big box. This is a very pointy, thin liner. Clio has one of the best eyeliners that I've used, so I really like using Clio eyeliner. Alright, so let's see how this applies. This is my first time using this one, but I did try other liners from Clio, and look at that. It's not moving at all. Okay, let's apply this. Alright, the first thing I noticed about this liner is that it is very, very black and it dries quickly, which is good, especially for people with hooded eyelids, because if the liner doesn't dry quickly, it can transfer onto your lid, and that is very, very annoying. So I like that it dries quickly so that, you know, there's no transfer. And it's also very dark, very black. I don't need to go over a couple times to get that pigmentation. So far so good. I'm gonna do this side now. I also really like that you could draw thin lines because the tip is very pointy. Okay, what's next? So I finally got this. This is the Etude House Contour Powder. I've been wanting to try this contour powder for such a long time. I haven't really gone around to it. I don't know why. I've been eyeing it and I finally got it. And I'm very, very excited. So let's just start. So it comes with a really, really fluffy brush. It's so soft. This is the contour palette. Is it magnetic? Ooh, it's magnetic. Ooh, how nice. The packaging is actually really nice. Wow. It doesn't feel cheap. Like, it's plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap. It feels really nice. This is the color. I got the contour palette in number 1. Top one is called Tone and Tone, and the bottom is called Mood On. Let's apply this. I'm gonna go with the top color. Okay, first I'm gonna apply it right below my cheekbone. Okay. I'm gonna apply it down here. Okay, and I'm gonna apply a little bit like right here. Okay. Wow, you can really see a difference between this side and this side. Look how like skinny this side looks. Alright, so let's play on this side. Look how skinny and slim my face looks, and look how big my cheekbone looks. Like I think I have a pretty big cheekbones, and you know, contouring really emphasizes them. I'm gonna kind of contour like this part of my face, and with that I'm gonna use a stiffer brush. I'm gonna use this contour brush for the darker color. Load it up, and I'm just gonna lightly tap it right here. Very lightly. Same thing right here. And then I'm gonna take this brush and then blend it. This contour palette is very, very easy to use. It did a really good job contouring my skin, and the colors aren't really dark, and it blends very easily into my skin. So far, I'm really happy with it. Before I apply mascara, I have a lash primer. This is the Dr. Mascara Fixer by Etude House, and I just want to mention how amazing this product is. If you have, you know, short, stubby, little Asian lashes, this will really enhance them. I remember using this like long time ago, and I just, you know, started using it again, and like it's just such an amazing product to really lift your lashes. My lashes also tend to like droop down throughout the day, especially in the summertime when it's like very, very hot. But with this primer, like I remember it not doing that at all. So I started using it again, and I am loving it again. Alright, so you just apply the primer and then you apply a mascara on top. The only downside about this primer is that it kind of clumps up your lashes, so you have to be very careful with the amount that you apply. If you have one of those lash separators, that's very helpful as well. Lastly, for lip, I'm going to be applying this lip tint by Peri Para. This is their Ink Velvet Lip Tint. I got the color number 18 in Star Plump Pink. This is how it looks like. Their classic Peri Para lip tint packaging. This is how the applicator looks like. And let's just see the color. This is very soft. Very nice color. Alright, so this is my completed look. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. I'm not going anywhere, but I just felt like playing around with the new makeup products that I purchased. Please comment your favorite new beauty product or any makeup products that you want me to try out. Please subscribe, like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!